Hi, boys and girls. This week, as you know, we started a new chapter in math, chapter 8, all about measurement. What we're working on is non-standard units of measure. Non-standard means you're using different things to measure with. You're not using a ruler. You're not using a scale. So during this chapter, you're going to be using other things. Use things around the house. If you don't have access to the book that I'm going to be telling you to do pages in, don't worry about it. Do something else that's similar. Problem solve, figure it out on your own. Let me show you an example and just do the best you can. All I want you guys to really walk away and know is that when you're measuring things with like Unifix cubes or pencils or paper clips, that it's a non-standard unit of measure, meaning it's not always exactly the same, and we're going to use the word about, because it's going to be close, but it's not going to be exactly accurate, and that you need to put those objects right next to each other. So here, let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. Sorry about that, guys. I'm trying to do this all on my own, and it doesn't always work out. So here, it took me a little while to get to it, but here's my apple. And I'm trying to measure the height of the apple, how tall it is. So you can see there's a black line at the bottom and a black line at the top. Now in my first example, I actually have some Unifix cubes that I brought home with me, so I have them handy to use. You guys might not have them, which is okay. Use something else. Use beans, use crayons, whatever you got handy. So let's see, I'm going to keep going. Now look, I'm putting them right close together. And because they're Unifix cubes, if I had both of my hands free, I could also hook them together. Now remember I said about. I'm going to turn it this way so you can kind of see what I did here. Now, I can back them up just a little bit, I guess. And maybe I can fit one more in. Oh, I can. So let's count. How many is this about? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I kept counting wrong too. See, just got to do it over. Remember, I always tell my kids, do it twice. So the height of the apple is about 7 Unifix cubes tall. I'm going to try this again with something else. Now, I looked around real quick trying to find something I had nearby, and I had a box of binder clips. So here, I'm going to try this again. 1, 2, 3. It's a little over 3. It's not quite 4, is it? So we can say it's about 3 binder clips tall. So I want you to think about that. It's about 3 binder clips tall, but it was about 7 Unifix cubes tall. Why the difference? Yeah, because the binder clip is much longer than the Unifix cube. Exactly right. Now, we can try that one more time with a different picture. I'm going to try it with this picture of a crayon. This is about 1, 2, and it's about 3. It looks like it's really close to being 3 binder clips. So if it's about 3 binder clips, I wonder how many Unifix cubes it will be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's about 5 Unifix cubes. So that's what we're going to be doing in math for this chapter. We're going to be measuring height. We're going to be measuring width. We're going to be measuring weight. And we're going to be comparing which one's bigger, which one's smaller, which one's taller, which one's shorter, which one weighs more. Just use the things around there at your house. Do the best job you can. I will be giving you guys access to different things, like my pictures here if you want to use them. You'll have access to the book, but like I said, you don't have to use those things. You can use other things. The big thing is, Just try to measure some stuff. Heck, go outside and use sidewalk chalk and see how many sidewalk chalks along the driveway is. Have some fun. Lay on the ground outside if it's nice. Have someone draw a line around you with sidewalk chalk and then see how long you are. Bye, guys. Have some fun with measuring.